I'm talking about a way that I have to take to get the SAS thing working. Now the problem that I had was that I had Windows 8 or maybe Windows 10 if you have that. So I had to go all the round way to install Windows XP on an Oracle, which is a 32-bit, and then run this. And then I had to install all the big code installation script and get inside. I also had to configure the Oracle VM to have a shared folder from my system into the file, but finally things are working now. And when I import everything would go into the SAS user. So all of these files are inside the SAS user. Some of the things that were not working the last time, which were not working on the University Edition, could be checked here. So that is one way to install. This is 9.1.3 portable. It's a version available on the internet, which is a live version. So this is about all the long way and how I did it. So I'm using Oracle Virtual Machine. I installed Windows XP, and unfortunately also I was not able to find an XP, so this is a French version. And then I installed, and then I had to share the file from my system into this system, and all of that to get it here. So that was all the hard work, but the hard work paid off. And everything is now into SAS user, so I can run everything here. But the only thing that I have to be careful for that one of the problem that I have in the University Edition was in the log name. So the log thing was a difficult thing, but it's okay. Now I can run any of the program here easily. To run it in the University Edition was a hell lot painful. So let's try to check something. So if I'm randomly going to a script, let's assume we want to run this script. I'm going here. Since I am not creating all these different libraries, everything is in SAS user. This is one thing that you have to remember while all the time you run this. So this is what we get. Input, ID, name, tolerance, and fee. Okay, let's see if we can. Okay. So let's try to display this and see if it works. So this is how it would look. So everything could work. The only thing that you have to change is the SAS library name, and everything would work here. And this is exactly what was expected.